Hey guys, welcome back to my channel FOODGLAM. Today we are going to make Thai basil chicken. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And without wasting time, let's get started. Here I took some basil leaves and cut it into halves. If you have very small leaves, then you don't need to cut it. Now heat the oil and add very finely chopped garlic and finely chopped green chilies. Saute it for 1 minute. Then add the chicken pieces. I have cut the chicken into very small pieces. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons soya sauce, one tablespoon teriyaki sauce. If you want, you can use oyster sauce instead of teriyaki sauce. Add 1 teaspoon brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon chilli flakes, one tablespoon honey, I'm also adding little Thai vinegar. Add salt as per taste. You need to stir fry the chicken continuously about a minute or so. Now add the basil leaves. As soon as you add the basil, you need to turn off the heat but keep stirring. This is extremely important because you don't want to overcook the basil, which would make it lose its flavor. Now take a pan and heat the oil. And fry the egg. Fry it until it's little crispy. Now your Thai basil chicken is ready. I am serving it with steaming hot rice and fried egg. Thank you for watching. We will meet again in my next video. Till then, bye.